Well, it's that time again. We're going to step outside the box. We're going to do something different, kind of like what we like to do on this channel, considering I don't like being normal. That being said, we're going to work on something that's old school traditional French, known as confit, or something that's rendered in its own fat. But we're going to give it a little bit of a twist and a summertime flair. This is Cooking with Style. Alrighty, so first step, you need some chicken. Second step, let's season them with some kosher salt and some sugar and a little bit of fresh herbs and cracked black pepper. You want the salt to actually draw some of the moisture out of them, and you want to let them sit in the refrigerator covered for about 4 to 6 hours. 6 hours later. Alright, let's go ahead and get them out of the refrigerator, and you want to pat them dry from the excess moisture that salt has drawn out. You also want to try and get some of that excess salt off of there so that way your confit doesn't end up too salty. You want to place them skin side down into a baking pan. That way the fat that's actually connected to the skin is going to render down and help add to the cooking. Now let's go ahead and cover them with about 1.5 cups of canola oil. You do not need to fully submerge them. You do actually want to create a little bit of a crust on the base of the leg. So now that our chicken is covered, let's go ahead and bake them at 325 degrees for about 1 hour. You want to be able to see the meat start to slowly pull away from the leg bone. Well, now that our chicken is cooked for about 1 hour, you want to go ahead and remove it from the oven, set it up on the stovetop, and let it come to room temperature. You also then want to keep it covered and place it into your refrigerator for overnight. 1 day later. What's up, everybody? I'm up into the kitchen and I have my little helper, my sous chef son, Dominic. He wants to throw it down and cook with his daddy, and let's do some confit salad. Say hello.
Hello. Hi, everybody.
All right, let's get it on. First thing we're going to do, we're going to check out this chicken. How good does that look?
Good.
All right. You ready to pull it apart?
Yep.
Let's go. We'll put it out on our board. You want to make sure to shake off a lot of this excess oil because you don't want to have too much oil in the salad itself. It'll make it a little bit too runny. So what we're going to do, bud, we're going to take these out.
Hey, so
You get squirted. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to take our paper towels. I want you to pat them dry so you get all that yucky oil off of it.
almost got all the yucky oil.
Perfect. All right, let me see those. Clean up our board a little bit. Cool. Good job. See, anybody can do this. All right, take your fork. And what I want you to do is start to pull this skin back, just like that. Okay, you work on that piece, I'll work on the others. Just like that, pull that skin off. Good job. So the reason we want to remove the skin is because it's a little bit rubbery. It doesn't have that crispness like you would actually do with the regular confit. You're just mainly looking for the inner part of the meat. Now, let's go ahead and grab our bowl. Set this right in front of us. And what we're going to do, we're going to pick the meat off in small pieces. Okay?
Okay.
Go for it. So pull it off the chicken. There you go, dude. Yes, just like that. Throw it in the bowl. Kind of messy, huh?
Yeah.
That's the fun part about cooking. You just get to get dirty.
You missed.
Good grab. So the idea behind this is to get good sized chunks. They don't have to be super broken up because you do want to have some nice texture in there because a lot of your vegetables are going to be small diced, super small, but this is a nice rich savory chicken, so it's going to go really, really nicely with some crisp vegetables. Soap. Scrub good, scrub good. We gotta set our hands in chicken. All right.
Let's do it.
Got a towel? Toss it over. All right, let's get this board out of the way.
Let's do this thing.
Well, let's do it.
What's that?
All right, so this is what we got. We got our delicious confit chicken. What we're gonna do, bud? What are these again? Diced onions and diced celery.
Yep.
Let's add them in. Grab the spoon. Toss them into the party. Good job. Perfect. All right. So next we got, this is extra virgin olive oil, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And which one do we need next? Can I
We're gonna add all of our spices. Go ahead and add that. Huh, didn't want to come out. So you know what you do? Watch this. There's two of them. Okay, that one, yeah, good. Ready, set, boom. All right, now we're gonna add that mayonnaise and mustard mixture that we did earlier. Ready? Perfect. Okay. Now, here's the trick. We're gonna save a couple of these guys for later on when we want to put it on top of it after we serve it, right? So we'll save that one. That one looks nice. We'll save this one. That one looks nice. So these, what I do, just slide them down, pick them in. Just want the leaves, remember? And what kind is this?
Thyme.
It's thyme, right?
Yeah, can I pull the leaves off?
Absolutely. Here, grab one.
Whoa.
All good. We got plenty. Yoop. Yoop. Good job.
We don't want these.
That's right. We don't want big stems. So take it like this. Take your fingers and you slide it all the way down. There you go. Perfect. Just like that. We're good. Now, we're going to mix it up. This is all we're going to do. Toss away.
Then we're gonna do after this thing.
We're going to plate it up because what you're going to want to do is let this rest for a good hour or two in the refrigerator before you serve it. But it works great when you're doing lettuce cups or if you just want to eat straight chicken salad. Why not, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Does it all look mixed up?
Yep.
Okay. Let's grab the big bowl. Let's make it look pretty, yeah?
Should I say boom when it's done?
There we go. Ready? You put one, I'll put one. Go ahead and say it.
Boom!
We're done. Is that what you're talking about?
Yep.
Enjoy it. Cook it. Don't eat the same thing every day. Go to it. Thanks. Thank you, Dominic. Say goodbye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later, everyone. Mommy's gonna love this.
Thanks again for watching, everybody. And if you like my content, there'll be tons more videos right about over in here. I think the link's gonna be over there. Yeah, should be. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and see further content, there'll be a link right up over here. And as well, everything that we just did is going to be in the description down below. And if you feel like being awesome, go ahead and smash that like button and please subscribe. Once again, keep cooking with style.